Hey everybody, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to episode 35 of me reviewing or looking at items that I've picked up from the Amazon Vine program, showing you some things that Amazon has that you may not have even known existed. It could change your life. So let's get into it. The weather people said that we're about to have all kinds of freezing weather in the next day or two, which is kind of rare down in South Louisiana, but like to be prepared for it. And my peppers, I've got banana peppers, habaneros, little green peppers, and some other type, I can't remember. I think it's a couple of different versions of like green peppers. Bell peppers, one's sweet and one's just regular. Anyways, they're growing really well and they're flourishing, and I don't want them to die, so I saw this on the Vine program. Basically, I'm not going to take it all out right now, but it's some half hoops and some, looks like this visqueen to cover up my raised garden beds. This just goes over my raised garden beds to keep the peppers. And I've got some sweet potatoes coming and some potatoes. Few cucumbers left, and that's about it. That's all that's left right now, growing still. So I just don't want them to all die from some little one-day freeze. So I got this, and that should fix that problem. All right, what we got next, number 2 on this video, comes in a real pretty box here. These are for my wife. I should have just given her these for Christmas. Maybe I still will. She won't know. Nobody tell her. So these are fluffy, warm, and fuzzy socks. They're very fuzzy, very fluffy, and these should be nice. And her feet are always cold. Her hands are always cold. And it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pairs, all different colors, in this really pretty gift box. So if you're looking for a gift for a lady in your life that has cold feet, there you go. You're welcome. All right, next item. This is for my grandboys, my twin grandbabies. I'm not going to take this all apart. You know what? I'll just show you a little bit of it. So it's a wooden toolkit. Comes with nuts and bolts and things you can put together. Little hammer, wrench, saw, wooden saw. And I'll just pull something out so you can see what it kind of looks like. There's a little wooden wrench. That is adorable. And then it's got the bolts and all. Fits right in on the wrench. So that's going to be a Christmas present for them. So don't tell them. That's adorable. When they come over and play, they will have a good time with that. Brand name is Zykoto, and again, up in the corner, at the beginning of each item, I try to show the Amazon listing with the price, and all of the links to these things will be in my description if it's something you feel might be something you want to get. I just made it easy for you. All right, and then the last one for this episode is the Rex Racer Track from Dino Land. Toys or more. Obviously, this one is for my grandbabies. Oh, that's pretty cool. So that's the little dinosaur racing car thing. T-Rex head. I guess it takes a battery. Yeah, it takes a AA battery. Got the on-off button right there. And then you can build this track for it to race around. There's all the little parts for it. I don't know how big it gets. You can kind of see from this picture here how it lays out. And it's just going to drive up there and down there and around there. That's pretty darn neat. It's got some trees and things, and that's cool. I think they were really going to enjoy that. I want to make this house the house they love coming to and don't want to leave until we say it's time for them to get on out of here. I appreciate you guys stopping by. It means a lot to me. If you have any comments, hit me up. Any questions, hit me up. Be glad to help out where I can with answering anything. Either way, I appreciate y'all. Thanks for watching.